Imagine a world where massive stone blocks were moved without modern machinery. Sounds impossible, right? But in ancient Egypt, it was just another day on the job. Let's travel back to around 2500 BC to the bustling construction site of the Great Pyramid of Giza. This iconic structure was not only a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu, but also a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. Now, picture this. Thousands of workers, skilled laborers, and architects working together, creating a structure that would stand the test of time. But how did they move those gigantic limestone and granite blocks, some weighing over 2 tons? The secret lies in their incredible understanding of physics and teamwork. They used sledges made of wood to slide the blocks across the sand. But here's the twist. To reduce friction, they poured water on the sand. This simple yet effective technique made it easier to move the heavy stones. And let's not forget the ramps. They built massive earthen ramps that spiraled around the pyramid, allowing them to transport the blocks higher as the pyramid rose. It's a combination of brute strength and clever engineering that led to this marvel. The construction of the Great Pyramid was not just a feat of labor. It was a complex orchestration of planning, resources, and human effort. Workers were likely organized into teams, each responsible for specific tasks, ensuring that the project moved smoothly and efficiently. But the Great Pyramid is just the tip of the iceberg. Ancient civilizations all around the world created their own engineering wonders. Take the Roman aqueducts, for example. These structures transported fresh water across miles of terrain, showcasing the Romans' advanced understanding of hydraulics and gravity. The aqueducts were an engineering marvel, featuring arches and channels that allowed water to flow naturally by gravity, supplying cities with the vital resource. And let's not overlook the Indus Valley civilization, where cities like Mohenjo-Daro featured advanced drainage systems and grid layouts that rival modern urban planning. They had public baths, toilets, and even a sophisticated system for waste management. The urban planning of the Indus Valley was remarkably advanced, with streets laid out in a grid pattern, ensuring efficient movement and access to public amenities. This emphasis on sanitation and public health reflects a deep understanding of community needs. But what about the ancient Greeks? They constructed monumental temples like the Parthenon, which not only served religious purposes, but also demonstrated their architectural prowess. The use of columns, symmetry, and ratios in Greek architecture has influenced designs for centuries. Their innovations in aesthetics and structural integrity established principles that are still used in modern architecture today. Then there are the ancient Chinese, who built the Great Wall, a testament to their engineering capabilities and determination. Stretching thousands of miles, the wall was constructed using various materials adapted to the local environment. Its construction involved not only physical labor but also strategic planning and resource management, showing the importance of foresight in large-scale projects. Why did these ancient engineers matter? Their innovations laid the groundwork for future generations. Without their ingenuity, we might not have the architectural and engineering marvels we have today. The principles of mechanics, geometry, and material science that they developed have been refined over centuries, but remain rooted in their discoveries. So, next time you marvel at a skyscraper or an advanced bridge, think back to those ancient builders. They were the true pioneers of engineering, shaping the world with their knowledge and skills. Their legacy can be seen in how we approach construction today, as we often draw inspiration from their methods, combining them with modern technology for enhanced efficiency. Here's a thought-provoking question. What do you think would happen if we applied some of our techniques in modern construction? Would we discover new ways to build that are more sustainable and efficient? Or would we stick to our high-tech methods? Imagine incorporating the use of natural materials and simpler construction techniques alongside our advanced machinery. This fusion could lead to buildings that are not only more environmentally friendly, but also more integrated with their surroundings. Ancient engineering wasn't just about creating buildings. It was about understanding the world and pushing the boundaries of what was possible. The way they observed natural forces and utilized available resources demonstrates a profound respect for their environment. modern engineers could benefit from revisiting these principles, considering sustainability and the life cycle of materials used in construction. So, the next time you see a monumental structure, remember the ancient minds that inspired it. Consider how their understanding of the earth, physics, and community shaped the way we build today. We stand on the shoulders of giants, and their legacy continues to influence our world, reminding us that innovation and respect for nature can go hand in hand. As we look towards the future, let's not forget the lessons of the past. Perhaps a balance of ancient wisdom and modern innovation could lead us to even greater architectural achievements.